I believe I would like to ask a question to Ashish. Ashish, we know SMEs and enterprises, and they are now adopting digital technologies. So, is automation driving rapid adoption of digital technologies, or how is Impactsure Technology supporting enterprising and adding value? So, I would request you to answer this one.
Thank you, Yasmin, and a good day to all. I'm hoping that everybody is doing safe and sound in these difficult times. So about the adoption, I would want to start it is that it is not one answer. So we have seen customers across multiple industry, across various sizes, adopting tech in a different manner. So when it comes to customers, and we have seen with Impacture and also in our previous experiences, we have been talking to customers across a textile, pharma, chemical, agri-tech, some kind of a bottling plant, and various other companies. And we have seen them across multiple stages of the life cycle of how what has been the adoption. And we have seen people who have been no tech at all. For example, they have just started using email and Word and Excel probably, with some people have with some company having started to working on some software which they have mostly from a accounting point of view. And we have seen customers across using Tally, SAP, Oracle, and other local vendors are also there when it comes to adoption and when it comes to the manufacturing processes. Within that also we have seen companies using technology at various processes a bit differently. The way they're handling their manufacturing processes versus a customer relationship, how they're handling supply chain, how they have handling the employees engagement is a bit different. And then we have also seen that how do we understand the current landscape of the current IT landscape. And here also we have seen various varieties. Some people are still on a homegrown application. Some people are still on an on-premise application because there are some compulsion reasons for that. And some people have moved on to a cloud network where Google, Azure, or AWS, and then a various software application with them. We at Impactsure, we always understand the current problems from a customer point of view. We understand that whatever has been done in the past, there is a reason that has to be done, and we have to live within that and to see how we can improve it further with our consulting approach, with our tech approach. So from a integration point of view, we have built various integration layers so that we can adopt the information, we can adopt the documents, as Subbu mentioned in the beginning, that from the current landscapes, be it a file server, be it a FTP file, be it some kind of a Tally, ERP, some of the systems, and how we can bring the data and add value to it. So this is from the tech point of view. I will still say that the major challenges when it comes to the digital adoption is still a people issue. And I would like to say that when we start talking to a client, independent of its size, whether this is a SME, a mid-market, or even a corporate, uh, there is a vision which the management has about how they want to see the adoption, how they would want to get the ROI from the software application, from the solution which will solve a particular problem. But when we talk to people across various levels, right? Be in the customer team, be it in the supply chain team, being in the inventory team, being in the warehouse team, even the contractor who are not actually employed by the customer, they are a subcontractor for them. The adoption of any kind of a tech has to be across these various layers. And then there is a bit of a obstacle which we have seen across the customer base, and obviously this is a change management which is a lot more people centric rather than a process or a tech centric. So, and we have had we know how to work with people, and it's always important to understand that even if there's a bigger vision at place, what is the end user getting from the software? I think that is the ultimate question we have to answer, that how is the end user who was doing a certain work in a particular way, how is any software, how is any technology, big or small, whatever it is, cloud based, on premise based, how is that going to solve that particular customer, particular user pain point? Specifically in enterprise software, understanding the user persona is very important. Unlike the B2C sector where there are millions of customers across various ages and all, we have to understand that how the user persona is reacting to a particular change which a digital platform we will enforce it to them. So this is very important for us to, apart from the landscape, apart from the customer sizes, apart from the current system in place, it's very important to understand the people aspect of any change management which a software has to imply, and we have to work with that. Yasmin.